Hey all, in this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how to use Kami in order to allow students to annotate an assignment in Canvas. So Canvas, it looks like Kami is already integrated at the district level in our Canvas, and so let's go in and create an assignment that will allow students to do the markup on like a PDF in a Kami assignment. So what we're going to do is we're in a dashboard now. We're going to go into my sandbox course for the demonstration, and I'm just going to use my plus add button in my module here to create an assignment. You could go straight to assignments if you preferred. We'll call this the Kami demo assignment, and we're going to click add item. So that creates our empty assignment down here at the bottom of the module. We're going to go ahead and publish the assignment, click inside to do our editing. Okay, so in this case we can click edit. You could put some directions in here. I'll kind of put a placeholder, so some sort of directions. We can assign some points for it, so it's going to depend on your system. It's down here in submission type where sort of the magic happens. If you click submission and choose external tool at the very bottom of the drop down list and you click find, it'll allow you to scroll through some apps that are connected, and one of the ones you'll find under K, it's alphabetical, is Kami Google Drive assignment, and it says it allows you to pull in documents from Google Drive and send them as an assignment, turn in, and grade. It's kind of lost a little bit there, but if we click on Kami Google Drive, now I've already hooked up my Google Drive with it. It may pop up here and ask you to select which Google account you have a Kami account with, or which one you're going to be using with this account, with this Canvas, and then after that it'll bring you into this screen here, and you can search around. So for me, I'm going to click on, actually I'm going to go ahead and upload a PDF. I'm going to select the file from my device, and I have a sample PDF here that I'm going to go ahead and open. So it's going to pull in that PDF off of my local machine in this case. You could hunt around for assignments in your Google Drive as well, and then you're going to click the select button. So you would set whether you're going to sync it or not with Q, a due date, and we can click save here. So what's going to happen here is Kami bar is going to show up here at the top, and you see I'm currently logged in, so it's me, but I can take in this PDF and I can utilize some of the, I can use my text highlighter, and I can put in some shapes. So as you can see, I can use any of the free tools. I have a free Kami account, so other tools are locked, but many of the tools I'm allowed to use here for markup. And so your students should be able to do the same thing. So that's how you would embed a Kami, or create really a Kami Google Drive assignment. That's what that's called in that external tools. So thanks for your time and attention, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.